Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Infiniti of Nashua, we have the 2017 Mini Countryman S. This one's fitted with a 6-speed manual, and it's actually a ton of fun. You can see this one's equipped with the tow hitch. Man, this thing is a properly cool car. First time driving a Countryman in manual. Not my first time driving a Mini Cooper in manual. Driven a JCW. John Cooper Works. Do we have the window sticker somewhere in here? No. Please. It's gonna make me look up everything. Nice. Has to be here somewhere. Nope. Alright. I don't know why they have all that stuff anyway. Alright. Where's the performance stuff? Turbocharged 2-liter, 189 horsepower, 207 pound-feet of torque. Awesome. They didn't stick a Turbo 3 in here like they did with the base Cooper. That's a big hood. I mean, awesome. Let's motor, which is actually kind of the motto of this thing. All right, so go into vehicle info. You have driving excitement, which actually I'll leave on. I'll go to driving excitement. This is how you change all the modes. So in green mode, let's minimalize. Minimalize. Let's motor in normal mode. Let's motor hard in sport mode with the car thinking rocket ship, go-kart. Pretty cool thing. Also, doubt you'll be able to hear it. Okay. There we go. I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear it on the drive, but some nice pops and bangs from the factory exhaust. Automatic rev matching in sport mode. Honestly, when you get out of the Red Sport and into a car with half the horsepower, you expect it to feel as slow as possible. In reality, that's a nice 21 Durango. In reality, it's still a ton of fun. Of course, with the manual transmission, it still feels properly fast. To get into reverse, you just push hard and it moves over. Clutch is easy to modulate. Not sure if I said this. This one has the sprint booster, pedal commander kind of thing, where it improves throttle response. It's like a $250 mod. Has 9 different modes. Okay, now I tell the difference. Put it into 9. Gotta stop I gotta stop doing it myself. It does it for me. Not the fastest car in the world, but plenty for what this car is. Then again, I have been spoiled with the cars I've been driving recently, so if you've only driven your base model Civic, it's gonna feel pretty quick. But what Mini does right is being nimble, you know, being like a go-kart. Hear a little bit of wastegate noise. It's actually one of the best manual transmissions I've driven. It's just nice to row through the gears, and especially, I didn't expect it to have automatic rev matching. That's awesome for this price point. Do have auto start stop. What's weird is the crackles stop after a little bit. It's almost like it doesn't want to go overboard, which is a smart idea. Because as we all know, crackle tunes blow motors. Just what it happens. Just rowing through these, ooh, MR2. Rowing through these gears is such a blast, man. I was not expecting this thing to be fun. Well, I expected to have a little bit of fun, but not. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.